Welcome to the Elephant Conservation Area and Farm. We're thrilled to have you join us today to experience the magic of these magnificent creatures. The quality of their skin is truly remarkable. It may look tough, but it's essential for regulating their body temperature and protecting them in this environment.
Here you go, big boy. Eat up, there's plenty more bananas for you.
Right here on the flank, the skin can be nearly an inch thick, offering incredible protection against the elements and predators.
Sounds perfect.
All vitals are stable. He's cleared for the relocation.
That was truly remarkable. Now, as the sun begins to set, it's time to shift our focus to the nocturnal hunters preparing for the night.
Look at the trunk movement, very fluid.
Noted. The skin condition looks excellent too.
I agree, definitely a strong candidate for the relocation program.
I'm excited to show you our state-of-the-art facility. We are very proud of the work done here. Please step inside and join me for the grand tour. Welcome to the factory. As we head inside, remember safety first. All right, now let's explore the state-of-the-art assembly line. Now watch closely as I demonstrate the elasticity. We pull it taut and it immediately springs back. This is a sign of premium leather. This is the future of manufacturing. With this robotic arm, we're talking about an incredible 0.1 millimeter accuracy. It's mesmerizing to watch her work. The precision here is absolutely incredible. Every single stroke is intentional. Today, I am thrilled to present this exquisite brown leather messenger bag. The craftsmanship and attention to detail are simply unmatched.
Now, I know you're wondering about the capacity. Here's my wallet, slides right in, and the phone fits comfortably right alongside it. It holds everything you need and more.
The craftsmanship on this piece is exquisite, and look how effortlessly it transitions from hand carry to this elegant shoulder style.